The bad state of roads is one of the many challenges faced by inhabitants of Lumok village, Eseka subdivision of the Nyong-Ekele division, Central region of Cameroon. Because of this situation, inhabitants find it difficult to move in and out of the community. Added to this is the bridge that collapsed since 2020.
I used to come and buy it in this place, but we have difficulties for transport things because there is many things here. When we come like this, we buy oil, plantains, cocoyam, and cassava. For transport, it is not easy for us because there is no road. The road is bad, very bad.
It's been 5 years now that this bridge collapsed. Till now, we don't see any evolution on the reconstruction. According to local authorities, the bridge that links Lumok-Lihok and Timekele village was to be reconstructed since 2023, but to their greatest surprise, inhabitants are only seeing construction materials, equipment, but no worker around. They were to put placards indicating that on this site there is work. But till now, we don't know which enterprise is to start the working. We don't know who are the workers supposed to work.
Lorsqu'on regarde ces matériaux, depuis près de 3 ans qu'on les a déposés, on ne fait que désherber sans les utiliser.
When we see these equipments left here since, when we see the job that was to begin in November 23, this is my shop. I gave it to them so that they can stock their material, but till now, no one is coming. Here are cement bags that are already had. Seriously, who do they think we are? The hopeless population continue asking for help from the government.